It is Monday, January 29th, 2024, and um stuff was good today. Work was good. Um Looked at the results of the simulations that I ran over the weekend. Uh I did indeed completely fill up the hard drive. Uh um so yeah, I just have to make sure that that doesn't get backed up. uh Anything else interesting? Found a bug. Excuse the bowl. It's it's not a long story. What I don't know what I'm talking about. Um, so I found a bug in the software because there are some edge cases that you have to consider when you're dealing with things that move. Um, so I was excited about the results, and then I mentioned them to a person or two, and they're like, "That seems really long." So, um, good news is that I can look and see. Uh, well, I can actually. I don't know how easy it's gonna be, but I I can tell which runs the bug happened in, but that involves opening up the files and looking at them and everything. So, uh, maybe there's a better way I can do that and figure out which ones the bug happened so I can just get rid of those. Um, I could fix the bug, but I don't know. It's going to be complicated. Uh, so, yeah, today was one of the last Monday lunches. I don't know if this was the last one today or if next week is the last one. I thought next week was going to be the last one, but I could be wrong about that. So today they had meatloaf. So and it was actually really good. It was a good slab of meatloaf. Um, it was a little dry, but they put I was gonna say frosting, but no, not frosting. They put gravy on it, so it really wasn't that. It was good. It was really good. Um, what else? What else? What else? Um, so the thing that I bonked the bowl with, uh, I got a new lock today. Um, it's this. Um, so I so one of my many hobbies is lockpicking, and uh, I'm not very good at it. Um, right now, I'm just literally unlocking it with the key, so it's not. I'm not doing anything. But so I found this lock that would be actually really interesting to pick. So I ordered it from Home Depot, and shipping and everything. And there's this master lock, which is the same type of thing. That if you guys don't know, master lock is not known for its pick resistance. Um, so I got the master lock version thinking that it would be really easy. Well, it turns out that actually, if the nearest Home Depot has it in stock, they will give it to your house that same day. So they're so that was like my option for shipping. That I didn't even have like a slower option. So yeah, I ended up getting a lock the same day. So let's see. I guess since I did bring it up, I can show it off for you guys. So this is a different master lock that I can pick, but I haven't done it for a while. So I might be a little rusty, so to speak, I guess. So, whoops, I just dropped the pick. Okay, so I'll put it right up to the microphone so you guys can hear it. So, actually, I'll hold it right above the microphone so you guys can see it. I can't really show you guys very well. So I know how this lock works because I've used it many times. I've picked it. There. Maybe if I show it to you guys this way, it'll look better. So there's nothing on 1. I think this is just a 4-pin if I remember right. Nothing on 2. Gotta remember where I am. Nothing on 3. Something on 4. I think that was the click on 4. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. That must not have been a click out of 4. That's a click out of 4. 1 is binding. Yes, I watched The Lockpicking Lawyer. Yes, that is also just the best way to describe what's going on. That's a click out of 1. 2. And we got this lock open. Those are the 2 keys there on the shackle, by the way. It is so hard to pick locks while you're trying to talk about it. It's so much easier when you know, I'm just not going to talk this time. Well, okay. Now, when you make a mistake when you're picking, it takes longer. But nothing, a couple extra seconds couldn't help. I can pick one lock. And I don't think most people are using these for high security applications anyway. I have lots of hobbies. I probably shouldn't be posting on the internet that I can pick locks. Because I can't. I totally can't. I can just pick the one lock that I've picked so many times. As evidenced by me trying to pick this one and it not working. I have a theory. I wanted to try to do it without looking anything up. But like, I'm not getting anything. That's not a click. Counter rotation, what? Are there security pins in this that I didn't know about? I had to reset. One is binding. Let's click out of 1. 2 is binding. Oh, I have no idea what happened to that. I feel like I can still push it a little bit. I probably overset it. See, I have no idea what's going on inside this lock. I think I need to change my style in order to get anything out of this. But really, that's beside the point. Yeah, I way overset something in there. It's really fun to have a hobby where, I don't know, there's something so tactile about lock picking. Like, you're completely focused on like all of your senses. Did you see it move? Did you hear anything? I mean, taste and smell not so much, but then all about like the only thing you can tell what's going on is by trying to interpret every single itty bitty movement that you feel in your hands. And there's not a lot of um, it's like it's a puzzle, but a puzzle with what you're, you know, a puzzle where the only thing you know what's happening is by trying to interpret everything that's happening in your hands. I don't know. It's like I don't know. It's just a really interesting. It's different than a lot of other than like every other puzzle out there. Every puzzle is like a sight puzzle or a hearing puzzle, but you need to really be good with you know good with I don't know. There's got to be some other word for it, like good with your tactile senses. I don't know. And you have to be smart and have to think like abstractly about what's going on in there, you know? Like what do you know about the inside of the lock? I don't know very much. Uh so I don't know. It's a really I don't know. And it also really helps you be security minded in your own life too. Um, you know, to know what locks are actually good or not. Uh, but yeah, I don't know. It's a weird hobby, but shouldn't be. Apparently, from what I've heard, most locksmiths don't even know how to pick locks. So I don't know. I don't really have anything else to say. I guess. I guess that's it.